Can you actually build a smart, efficient, and high-tech setup for just $100? I'm not talking about cheap junk that breaks in a week. I'm talking about highly rated, 4-star plus gadgets that actually work. I went on a mission to find the best bang-for-your-buck tech on Amazon. The rules were simple: 5 gadgets, 4 stars or higher, and a total budget of roughly $100. Welcome back to the Automation Hub, where we make life smarter, not harder. If you love finding hidden tech gems, hit that subscribe button right now. We're dropping budget challenges like this every week. Now, let's see what $100 actually gets you. First up, let's talk security. Usually, a good smart camera costs you $50, maybe $80. But item number 1 is the BlueRams PTZ Dome camera, and it comes in at just under $19. Here's why this has thousands of 5-star reviews. It's not just a static lens. This thing has 360-degree coverage with pan and tilt. It literally tracks motion automatically. If someone, or your cat, walks by, the AI detection kicks in and follows them. It shoots in 2K resolution, has really crisp night vision, and yes, it has two-way audio, so you can tell your dog to get off the couch from work. And since this is the Automation Hub, here's the best part. It integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can just say, "Show me the living room," and boom, it's on your screen. No monthly fees for the basic 12-second alert clips, or you can just slap in an SD card for 24/7 recording. For less than $20, that is a massive win. Next, we're moving to the kitchen. Now, you might be thinking, a bottle? That's not tech. But hear me out. This is the TrendPlane 2-in-1 oil dispenser, and it solves a problem we all have: pouring way too much oil. For just $8, this gadget gives you total control. It has a precision dual-function nozzle. You press it one way, you get a controlled stream. You switch it up, and you get a superfine mist. Each spray dispenses exactly 0.15 grams of oil. If you're tracking calories or just trying to eat healthier, this is literally hardware for your health. It's made of BPA-free glass. It's heat-resistant, and it keeps your counters clean. It's simple, it's under $10, and the engineering on the nozzle is surprisingly satisfying. Item number 3 is something you hope you never need, but you'll be glad you bought. This is the Govee water leak detector. Water damage is expensive. This sensor is $13. You do the math. This little guy is completely wireless and IP66 waterproof. You place it near your washing machine, under the sink, or in the basement. If it detects even a tiny drip, it triggers a 100 decibel alarm. That is loud. You will hear it from upstairs. Now, this specific standalone version is for people who are home often. But if you pair it with the Govee Gateway later, you can get alerts sent directly to your phone when you're on vacation. But even on its own, for $13, it's the cheapest insurance policy you can buy for your smart home. Okay, we've saved the biggest chunk of our budget for the heavy hitter. This took up about $46 of our $100 limit, but look at this beast. This is the Yabano meat grinder. Why buy a grinder? Because store-bought ground meat is a mystery. This machine has a peak power of 3,000 watts. It's not a toy. It tears through bulk batches of meat in seconds. It comes with 2 different stainless steel plates so you can choose your texture, and it even has sausage and kibbe attachments. Plus, it has a safety reverse button just in case you hit a tough spot. If you love cooking, this is the ultimate kitchen upgrade. It's loud, it's powerful, and it's rated 4 stars because it gets the job done without burning out. A professional tool for a budget price. And finally, after checking the security cameras and grinding the meat, we need to recharge. Item number 5 is the Holstein Housewares 5-cup coffee maker. This is for the minimalists. It's compact, it's sleek with that black and silver finish, and it fits perfectly in a dorm, a small apartment, or right on your office desk. It brews 5 cups, which is perfect for a solo caffeine fix. It has an auto pause feature so you can pour a cup before it's even done brewing, and, best of all, it uses a reusable filter. No more buying paper filters. At $22, it's simple, reliable, and does one thing really well. It makes hot coffee fast. What else do you need? So, let's look at the damage. the cam, the sprayer, the leak sensor, the grinder, and the coffee maker. Our total comes to $107.96. Okay, so I went $7 over budget. But for 5 gadgets that are all rated 4 stars or higher, I think we can let that slide. We got security, safety, precision cooking, raw power, and daily fuel. That is a solid haul. Which one of these would you actually use? I've linked all of them in the description below, so you can check the current prices. If you enjoyed this budget challenge, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And click right here to see 5 more gadgets that will automate your life. Thanks for watching the Automation Hub, and I'll see you in the next one.